Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin here. Now that my beginner reading book is available to people, some who have purchased it express confusion regarding the fingerings, so I'm going to explain them to you. Starting with the very first page, the very first lesson, the music is written written three notes, E, F, and G. And if those who have the book will notice under the E is a 0, which means open string. Under the F is a 1, which means first finger. And under the G is written a 3, which means the third finger. So literally the entirety of the exercises starting on the note E are only played three ways: open string, first finger, and third finger. The same principle continues throughout the book. You'll notice open strings where I'll put a 0. You'll notice a 1 where sometimes it'll be on different frets. That's where you'll put the first finger and stay in position. The fingerings are trustworthy. You can use these fingerings. Or if you have a bass teacher who is entirely focused on the teaching of music, that's going to make this book even easier to learn, and the benefits will be yours, will be more quick, you'll more quickly acquire them, having a teacher that knows what these notes are and how they should be played. It's really simple. Follow the 0, follow the 1, follow the 2, the 3, or the 4 if it is written in the music that way. I hope this helps. Everybody can do this. Thanks.